All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram Promaster. It is the 1500 low top with only 3,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, AM FM stereo system, super nice. Once again, only 3,000 miles. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantastic. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire tread is way over 7/32. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. There is a dent here. All right. Turn the light. Here's your rear rear driver's steel wheel. And your tire tread here is way over 7/32. Pretty much is it for the side. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Power windows, power door locks right there. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Keep it moving here. Get your AM FM stereo system right there. You got your AC controls right down below. And that pretty much completes the tour. You got your instrument cluster here. As you can see, you do have tire pressure light on. And there's your mileage of 3,978. Pretty much completes the tour for there. Keeping it moving. I don't know if I showed you this. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire there way over 7/32. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Lights up top are working. This door looks pretty good. This thing is in good condition. Here's your rear trunk space and what that cargo area and what that looks like. Does have a rear panel or rear cargo divider, which looks great. Factory installed. This door looks good. This seems to have a little crack in here. Other than that, this looks good. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire right here is over 7/32. This is sliding door looks good. Boom. Here's what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Does have your wall divider there, and that's a nice shot of it. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. A nice shot of your divider from what it looks like from the inside. Front passenger steel wheel. Tire thread. Over 11/32. Lights are working. On top they're working. Very nice. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Ram Promaster 1500 with only 3,000 miles. Any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.